Pink and blue sunglasses. Two colors. Two views.
I liken it to the fact that God designed women to look at the world through pink sunglasses, and it colors what she sees. And she wears pink hearing aids, and it affects what she hears. And she speaks through a pink megaphone. And she expects everybody to know what she means by what she says. All of her girlfriends do. When she says through that pink megaphone into their pink hearing aids, "I have nothing to wear." They say, "Oh, sweetie, we don't either, but we're going to go shopping later. Do you want to join us?" Isn't that amazing? They all know what she means by what she says. He, on the other hand, has blue sunglasses, and it colors what he sees. He has blue hearing aids, and it affects what he hears. And he speaks through a blue megaphone. And he expects everybody to know what he means by what he says when he speaks through that blue megaphone. All of his buddies do. He speaks through that blue megaphone into their blue hearing aids. "I have nothing to wear." "She ain't doing your laundry either."
Come to the Love and Respect Marriage Conference. We'll share the secret that cracks the communication code between husbands and wives.